editing to do. I'm gonna edit the vlog while making more vlogs. I'm gonna work out. She is indeed special. Chupa, hello. She's like, nope. Ah! Jeez! Dressed, looking dumb. It's pretty dark in here. The lighting's not that great. We're gonna go to the gym. Hopefully no one's there. If anyone's there, then I'm gonna be weird recording for some reason. The gym! I don't know which key is it again?
Maybe it's the top.
Gotta keep it steady.
Go.
No gimbal, just a tripod. Get lower, get lower. Oh, the calves are burning actually. Oh yeah, stabilization. You gotta get on your toes. How steady was that? We have a meeting at 11 with Mr. Aiden. Gonna be I'm thirsty, slightly hungry. Miranda's making a smoothie. I'm gonna go assist her. And then we're gonna do some uploading for the band. Did another show at the Richmond. Can you see all the grime? Can you see all the grime? They were holding the glass like this, and they like would bring the camera close to the edge of the glass in like a specific way, and then snap the shot, because then it creates like a lens effect. Ben & Jerry's! Chupa, go crazy!
Can you see?
Focus! That's so good. Frozen pineapple doesn't stay like a cube, like you can still chew it. Delicious. It's the next day. So now I have something to deliver with orders. Little thank you for allowing me to be paid by your services. You're paying my bills, so I want to give you a little drink. Quench your thirst.
Oh, it's moving. Oh, jeez. What do I need to do?
Oh, no, I'm getting your controller recently. If you can call. Oh!
Okay, I got a beef one here. I need a chicken.
I'm not off to a great start. Okay, I got one chicken, one steak. We're watching Hell's Kitchen. We're ready for this. Is this rice?
Oh, I need the tortilla. Yeah.
Sorry.
Go.
Can you take it off the plate? Oh, you can. Very nice. What was it?
It will be good to have Darkwing on the Guardians again. It's just how it works.
I'm gonna make some kind of meme out of that. We're done with movie time. Now, I'm gonna shower, and then I'm gonna deliver those orders with the goodie bags that you saw me prep. All showered, ready to go. Yes. The luscious locks. Wow, all wet. Gotta cover it up. We're going on an adventure! We're going on an adventure! An adventure to deliver Uber orders and drinks! Bubbly, non-alcoholic.
Actually, 73 million views.
Not true.
Because they transitioned it.
Not mentioning no addresses on here, but got some Osmos. It's a really nice day. There's a lot of light coming through. The battery died on the camera last night, so we just finished up what we were doing for the night, came home, went to sleep. Now, we got the second vlog video. I'm watching it back and uploading it onto YouTube right now. So for those of you watching at the moment, you should go and watch that first. Another thing that's happening right now is I'm just going around cleaning a bunch of shit. Currently, I'm vacuuming the kitchen, getting the floors looking all nice and good. I'm doing the floors in this room right now. Just cleaned this chair with this turbo attachment. This vacuum is incredible, I'm not gonna lie. It spins up the handle, and then you get this and you know, zoom, zoom, like look at that. Freaking clean that is. Let's get this done. Then I can continue cleaning. It's been a long day. The vlog is uploaded. 3 shorts are uploaded. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna get to sleep and I'll see you in the next vlog.